Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Pattern. This is the final video in my Sew Along series for the Go Baby Organizer pattern. And in this video, I will go over the instructions for making the adjustable strap. In order to make the Go Baby Organizer, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern linked at my website below. Locate your two strap pieces. Place the ends of the strap pieces right sides together and perpendicular to each other. We will be joining them on the bias. I find it helpful to use my cutting mat for this and use the 45-degree angle to help me mark the stitching lines. With my ruler and my pen, I mark my 45-degree angle, and then I'm ready to sew the two strap pieces together. Pin or clip and stitch along the line. Trim the excess seam allowances even with the rest of the strap, and then press the seam allowance open. Center the woven interfacing on the wrong side of the strap, overlapping the segment slightly. There should be a 1/2 inch frame of fabric without interfacing all the way around. Fuse the interfacing. Place a second layer of woven interfacing directly over the first and fuse as before. My strap now has 2 layers of woven interfacing, and I'm going to begin on the short side of the strap. Fold over and press 1/2 inch edges on all sides of the strap. Next, fold the strap in half, matching the long folded edges. Pin or clip. All the raw edges are now tucked inward. I'm now ready to top stitch my strap. Using an 1/8 inch seam allowance, top stitch on all 4 sides of the strap. I find it helpful to use the sharp point of my seam ripper to nudge the folds inward as I'm top stitching the strap. With your strap top stitch, you will now need your slide hardware, swivel hooks, and rivets. Pass one end of the strap through the right side of the slide, over the center bar of the slide, and then through the left side of the slide. Turn the strap over so that the slide is wrong side facing up. Fold over and pin or clip the finished edge to the strap. Install a rivet or sew along the finished edge through all layers of the strap, securing the slide hardware in place. I will install the rivet centered about 3/4 of an inch above the finished edge. Insert the remaining end of the strap into one swivel hook. Next, pass the same end of the strap through the slide, first through the right side and then through the left. Insert the remaining end of the strap into the second swivel hook. Fold about 1 inch of the strap end over the swivel hook and pin or clip it in place. You can either sew through all the layers of the strap to secure it in place or add a rivet. I am again drawing my rivet insertion point centered about 3/4 of an inch above the end of the strap. Clip the strap to the D-rings on the strap tab connectors of your Go Baby Organizer. Use the slide to adjust the strap to your desired length. Your Go Baby Organizer is completely finished. You finished the adjustable strap and it's ready for use. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this series, and please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Happy sewing.